No way! Crap, I can't do that. LEDs.
The National Weather
Holy crap!
in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel out 20 nautical miles, Copano, Aransas, and Redfish Bays, San Antonio, Mesquite, and Espiritu Santo Bays. Waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
What the heck?
At 1:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southwest of Port O'Connor to 6 nautical miles west of Rockport, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Seabreeze, Rockport, and Port O'Connor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
1 a.m. South Texas
So
weather.
they do marine warnings, but for what? Literally the last 3 times I've tried to get a marine warning from them, they don't do them. Or they didn't do them. So what do they serve? All of this in here, I guess. Now, what in the world? There's already been a marine warning, and they didn't relay that one. What? Okay. Now, okay. Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel. That's what this one was. 150. Oh, that's the one they just did. Okay, and then this one, 12:36. So they must have relayed that one. I just didn't catch it, I guess. Wow, so they do marine warnings. Holy crap! So I can actually get marine warnings out. Let's go!